Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily find issues for your error when you can't charge your battery on your laptop. So for fixing it, you just need to go to search and just write in search troubleshoot. Here you will see troubleshoot common problem, so just open it, and here you need to find so just scroll down until you will see power, so it will be under network adapter, so just open power, and here under the power you will see find and fix problems with your computer's power settings to conserve power and extend battery life. So just click here run the troubleshooter. So you just need to wait some time after it will detect all the problems with battery you have, and just it will try to find some errors if it exists. So just wait some time until it will show you that it finds some errors or not. So here you can see that also I haven't any errors, but also if you have some errors you will see it here, and you just you will see next button and next, and it will automatically try to fix this error, and after you just need to restart your computer. So it's the first thing you can also try, and another thing you can also try is to go to device manager. So just go to search tab and just open in search tab device manager. So here you can see device manager, so just open it. Here you will see batteries, so just open it, just right click on this and just choose disable device, and here disable device or uninstall device. So after you just need to restart your computer, and it will automatically try to download and install drivers on your laptop. So you can also try it when you have problems with problems with your drivers. And also the last thing you can also try is to disconnect from your cable. So just try to disconnect from your cable and just connect again, and also you can try to restart your laptop. Or last thing you can also do is to just disconnect your battery. So just try to disconnect your battery and connect it again. So after you do it, just disconnect your battery and connect again. So maybe in some cases it helps. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.